We now come to one form of conjugation of gana, which is ganahan. Ganahan has the root word gana, which means drive or zeal, including the suffix an, which makes its final form ganahan. By identifying the suffix, we can surmise that the verb formed is in the neutral aspect, which is a momentary or an immediately completed action, is goal focus, and in the non-factual mood. Another form of conjugation of gana is pangganahan. Pangganahan root word is gana with the affixes pan, root word, and an. Final form is pangganahan. By identifying the affixes, we can identify that the verb formed is in the progressive, distributive, benefactive focus, and non-factual mood. Next conjugated form of gana is pangganahi. Pangganahi's root is gana with the affixes pang, root, and suffix e. Final form is pangganahi. Again, by identifying the affixes, we can identify that the verb form, just like the last one, is still in the progressive distributive aspect, benefactive focus, but a factual mood. Next conjugated form of gana is gipangganahan. Gipangganahan root word gana with affixes gipang, root plus an. Final form is gipangganahan. Again, by identifying these affixes, we can analyze that the verb formed is still in the progressive distributive, benefactive focus, but factual mood. Okay, to conclude our lesson for today, please fill in the information needed in the table. If you can make your own sentences using the words, much better.